It's a beautiful morning here today and I am hanging out at Balls Head Point Lookout. This is a lookout that you can just chill out in and you will be able to see the city. The city is just right over there and there's plenty of water. Now, we're basically north of the city. We're just slightly south of Waverton. So in order to get here, there are two ways of getting here. You can either drive here, in which case there is a perfectly good car park that doesn't seem to get full at any given point in time whatsoever. And that's probably because the second way of getting here is by simply taking the train to Waverton and then walking the rest of the way. So just to get our orientation sorted out, that side is the east, so you'll be able to see the harbour bridge from there. And then that side is the west, so as you continue to go down the river, you will come across places like Drummoyne. There's plenty of natural things to have a look at here. Trees, birds, animals, and like. Came across a turkey at one point. There's a lot of things here that would probably make for a nice meditation spot. So that is Balls Head Lookout Point here in Sydney. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comments below. Do you like a place like this that's just quiet, green, and near water? Let me know. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more stuff outside, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.